Vocational education in India still faces challenges when compared to mainstream higher education, with key healthcare players like GE collaborating with multiple partners in skill development courses. How is NSDC supporting these?
So the three challenges in the vocational space in relation to the corporate sector, the employers, is the first is that the job is not aspirational because the young people do not know what career paths are. The second is that training providers are unable to actually train to a particular standard that is required by the corporate like GE. And the third is that the training capability in the country, the capacity is not adequate. And the fourth is that the training organizations don't have access to high-tech equipment and knowledge that is perhaps available with companies such as GE. So the four things are going to be addressed in the following manner. The first is that GE is part of the Healthcare Sector Skill Council, and they developed around 38 qualification packs that ensure and determine what the career progression for an individual joining that industry is. Second is that the standards that are being created in partnership with GE ensures that there's a complete alignment between the training providers and the requirements of the company. The third is that GE is going to partner and also help in set up training centers and expand the capability and the capacity for training people to this. And the fourth is that other training providers working with the Healthcare Sector Skill Council will have access to the same high-tech equipment and the other technology inputs that go along in delivering the program according to the qualification pack. So this is the synergy that is there between the company like GE, the training providers, the Sector Skill Council, the NSDC partners, and the entire ecosystem.